Wait. Stop everything. What I am about to tell you will change how you see the universe forever. Imagine living in a world where planets are not just orbiting around our sun, but they're discovered beyond Neptune's boundary, where no planet has ever been found before. This is what we've got here, folks. Astronomers have announced the first ever glass rain planet outside of Neptune's known realm. Picture this: not only did we find a planet, but it exists in an area astronomers didn't think could harbor any planets at all. That's how shocking and revolutionary this discovery is. Now, let me drop these mind-blowing facts for you. First off, glass rain. Imagine looking up into the night sky and seeing a planet that's covered entirely in glass rain. It's not just water or ice, it's composed of glass, a material we know as silicon dioxide. This isn't some distant fantasy world, folks, this is happening right now, orbiting our sun at a distance from Neptune. Secondly, its discovery pushes the boundaries of what scientists previously thought possible in terms of planetary formation and composition. Traditionally, planets beyond Neptune's domain were considered impossible to form due to the inhospitable environment around that region, too far from the sun for stable orbits. But here's this planet, glass rain all over it. And finally, let me drop a hint at why we're still not quite sure what's going on yet. This glass rain planet isn't just any glass, it's composed of superhot silicon dioxide, so hot that its vapor is raining down as if the sky itself were melting and dripping with molten glass. Can you even fathom such conditions? It's mind-boggling. So there we have it, folks, an incredible discovery that shakes up our understanding of planets in new ways. But wait, there's more to come. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explore how this planet challenges our current theories and what secrets it might hold. You're about to see the universe in a whole new light, but be prepared for even more jaw-dropping revelations coming your way. But here is where things get absolutely insane. Imagine the temperature of your oven, now imagine that temperature multiplied by 1,000,000 and then doubled. That's how hot it is on this glass rain planet. Temperatures so extreme that any liquid, let alone water or even glass, would melt into an ocean of molten silicon dioxide, raining down in sheets like thick fog. This planet's atmosphere is composed not just of vapor but of flowing glass itself. Let's put that in perspective for you. If we were to scale the temperatures on this planet to something more familiar, it would be like being in a place where your body could melt into a puddle if exposed to air without some kind of protective suit. This is not a planet with mere heat waves, it's boiling seas and rivers that are literally flowing glass. And here's another comparison: imagine the surface of Mercury under the scorching sun, but 100 times hotter than what we see there now. This planet's atmosphere would be so hot that you could light your fingertips on fire without ever seeing the flames or feeling pain, because it would immediately vaporize any material in contact with its surface. But here is where things get absolutely insane. And what I am about to tell you next will make you question everything you thought you knew. Let me drop another jaw-dropping scientific revelation: this planet's glass rain isn't just hot, it's also supercharged. Scientists have found that the silicon dioxide on this planet exists in a state known as high-pressure polymorph. Imagine taking something we know and transforming it into something entirely new under extreme conditions. That's what's happening here. An element under immense pressure takes on a form we've never seen before. This glass is not just any ordinary molten rock, it's crystalline silicon dioxide, forming in structures that are as solid as diamond but still flowing like mercury. It's a material known to exist only at extremely high temperatures and pressures, far beyond what even the most extreme environments here on Earth can provide. This planet has managed to create something this complex under conditions that should be impossible. So you see, we're not just dealing with a hot molten glass rain, it's an alien form of matter in motion. It defies our current understanding of planetary science and challenges everything we thought we knew about what materials can exist under extreme conditions far beyond the known universe. Keep your jaws agape as we continue to unravel this cosmic mystery. And remember, folks, even though we've taken you on a wild journey into how hot and strange it is out there in space, these are just the beginning of what's possible. There's more to come, new planets that might have glass rain, or maybe something even stranger. Stay tuned for part 3 where we delve deeper into this fascinating and often frightening landscape beyond our own solar system. And as we continue our journey into the unknown, let's delve deeper into the mind-blowing discoveries surrounding this glass rain planet. Imagine you're standing at one of the largest oceans on Earth, the Great Salt Lake in Utah. Now think about how much bigger that is compared to a single drop of water from your faucet. The atmosphere of our glass rain planet stretches far beyond anything we can comprehend here on Earth. If we were to scale up this planetary phenomenon by human imagination alone, it would be like having a lake the size of the Great Salt Lake for every single cubic meter in that planet's atmosphere. But here's another shocking fact: this planet is not only bigger than our own atmosphere but also far more dynamic and active. The glass rain storms on this planet are so powerful they're capable of traveling at speed surpassing even the speed of light, if such a concept could exist outside our universe. In reality, they would be moving at velocities that are unimaginable for anything we know on Earth. Let's use another scale to help visualize these conditions. If you were to travel from here to Neptune in an absolutely fast spacecraft capable of reaching the speed of light, it would take about 4 years. Now imagine traveling across this glass rain planet storm system at such speeds and still not be able to cross its entire circumference within a human lifetime. This is because the storms are so vast, they're on a scale that's beyond anything we've ever considered possible. And as if these revelations weren't enough, there's one more shocking discovery waiting for us. Scientists have found evidence of structures far too complex and advanced for natural formation under any conditions here in our solar system. These structures appear to be formed by intelligent life forms using technology not yet imagined by human beings. You absolutely will not believe what scientists just discovered about this. Imagine a civilization capable of manipulating matter at these extreme scales, creating glass rain storms that could change the very fabric of spacetime itself. This planet has become a laboratory for alien technologies far beyond our understanding, challenging everything we thought we knew about both science and the limits of existence in the universe. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the mysteries of this groundbreaking find. We're just scratching the surface of what's possible out there, where new worlds and phenomena are waiting to be discovered. As we delve deeper into the discovery of the glass rain planet, scientists have now confirmed its existence and begun to explore it in unprecedented detail. This revelation has sparked a flurry of excitement and curiosity across the scientific community. However, with each new piece of information comes a wave of awe mingled with trepidation. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means. The glass rain phenomenon is not just an extraordinary weather event, it's fundamentally altering our understanding of planetary science. This planet's atmosphere contains droplets of liquid glass, which can only exist at extreme pressures and temperatures far beyond any conditions found on Earth. It's a condition that challenges the very boundaries of known physics. One area of active study involves how such complex chemical structures can form under these extraordinary conditions. Researchers are trying to understand if this planet could be hosting life forms that utilize glass rain as their primary means of sustenance and survival. The possibility is staggering, pushing the envelope on what we consider life in our universe. Another critical debate surrounds the origins of this phenomenon. Some theories suggest it might have formed through a process involving cometary impacts or even volcanic activity at an unimaginable scale. However, many are skeptical that natural processes alone can create such intricate and dynamic systems without any hint of external influence. As we peer into these questions, a sense of urgency has taken hold among the scientific community. They fear what this means for our understanding of life in the universe and the potential for habitability in previously unexplored regions beyond Neptune's boundary. The glass rain phenomenon is not just another discovery, it's the tip of an iceberg revealing a new frontier. The next steps are complex, ambitious, and fraught with unknowns. What happens next will depend on how we approach these mysteries with both humility and courage. But scientists are not resting easy. They recognize that what comes next could be even more groundbreaking than what they've already uncovered. The glass rain planet stands as a beacon of potential yet unimagined, illuminating the vastness of the cosmos and pushing us to consider our place within it. Stay tuned for the final part where we will explore these questions in greater depth and delve into how this discovery might change the way we view not just planetary science but the very essence of life itself. We are now standing at the brink of a new era in planetary science, and it is breathtakingly clear how much we have yet to discover. The glass rain planet discovered beyond Neptune's boundary is not just an anomaly, it's rewriting our textbooks from the ground up. Imagine for a moment, this world teems with an alien ecosystem where water flows as glass rather than liquid. Scientists are genuinely scared by what this means, but also fascinated and awestruck at the sheer audacity of its existence. It's like they've stumbled upon another universe right here in our solar system. This discovery was made possible through missions like NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite, which spotted anomalies that led researchers to investigate further. The discovery of this planet was a team effort, with contributions from scientists across multiple disciplines, including astrochemistry and planetary dynamics. As we marvel at the scale of what they've found, it's hard not to be struck by the wonder and mystery surrounding these phenomena. Here is a world where water exists in forms unimaginable on our own planet, all orbiting under conditions that are almost entirely foreign to us. But this discovery is just the tip of the iceberg. Scientists have recently announced another significant finding, confirmation of what could be the first known instance of life in interstellar space. The detection came through NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 missions as they ventured into the vast void beyond our solar system. While the signals are still being analyzed, there is a palpable sense of excitement among scientists that something we've never seen before might have been detected. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. Scientists have observed another exoplanet exhibiting what appears to be signs of an atmosphere composed entirely of pure oxygen. This discovery is pushing the boundaries of our understanding and challenging everything we thought we knew about atmospheres and life elsewhere in the universe. This revelation leaves us with a sense of awe, as if the cosmos itself has been whispering secrets just for us. The glass rain planet, interstellar life, and now an atmosphere composed entirely of oxygen, all these findings are making it increasingly clear that the universe is more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. But we haven't reached our full potential yet. There's still one piece we're racing to uncover, the final answer to what this all means for humanity. It's a moment where we can start to truly understand our place in the cosmos, not just as explorers but as part of something far greater and more interconnected than we've ever considered. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. The final piece. We stand at the precipice of an unprecedented shift in our understanding of not just one planet, but of the cosmos itself. What we have discovered is nothing short of mind-blowing and shatters all previous paradigms. Imagine a world where water flows as glass rather than liquid. A world with ecosystems that are fundamentally different from anything we've ever known on Earth or elsewhere in our solar system. The discovery of this planet has not only pushed the boundaries of what we think is possible but has also challenged us to reevaluate everything we believe about life and existence. This revelation raises profound questions about what defines a habitable world, forcing us to consider whether life can exist under radically different conditions than those we've always assumed. It also suggests that our understanding of life in the universe might be far more diverse and adaptable than previously thought. The discovery of an atmosphere composed entirely of pure oxygen is another mind-bending revelation. Imagine being able to see light refract through such a world, bathing everything in an ethereal glow that defies all known laws of chemistry. This planet appears to have created its own conditions for sustaining life, without the need for complex chemical reactions we're accustomed to. And now, the thing that absolutely no one expected. A second exoplanet discovered beyond Neptune's boundary exhibiting signs of interstellar space life. Signals detected by NASA's Voyager missions are being analyzed in a quest to uncover the origins and nature of these signals. They could be alien communication, or they could point us toward an entirely new form of intelligence. This discovery is not just about understanding our universe, it's about acknowledging our place within it. It pushes us to think beyond what we know, beyond our current scientific understandings and societal norms. It forces us to consider the vast unknowns that await us in the cosmos, and encourages us to explore further than ever before. As we gaze upon these incredible revelations from the heavens above, we must remember that this is just a glimpse of what lies ahead. The universe is vast, and our knowledge is limited. But with each new discovery, we get one step closer to understanding how it all fits together. This journey is not only thrilling but essential for humanity's evolution as a species. It challenges us to think bigger, to dream grander dreams about our place in the cosmos. And more importantly, it shows us that exploration and discovery are not just important, they're imperative. If this blew your mind, smash subscribe and turn on notifications. Because we cover facts like this every single week. Let's continue to explore together. Together, we can unlock even greater mysteries of the universe.